once again.
Hello guys, this is Sample here, and today I'm gonna disassemble this PC here.
Tuning out of starlight, the innocent lifetime flickers and flashes under a canvas. No, nobody seems worth it, while the feeling's sophisticated. The view is so restrained. The past is nearing closer and closer.
So the first thing you need to do is to find every screw on the PC. When you have found all of them, you can find your screwdriver, maybe sonic screwdriver, and begin screwing out every screw. I'm using a tool like this. That's really helpful, and if I do any wrong, it's because I'm using my right hand to screw and my left to film. That's okay. So when you have screwed out all the screws, you can try to take it off. So inside here we have the hard drive and then the RAM. I think that's DDR3 or 2. And back here we have the Ethernet card. It's little because it's a computer. So here is where we're gonna begin. First thing is to remove the RAM. What you need to do is to pull these tiny metal bars. I can't focus. These tiny metal thingies back. Then it's loose, and then take the RAM out into a safe place, like on this mouse pad. I don't have any better than that now. That also. Remember, don't do this when the computer is new, because then your warranty are gonna go off, and probably your yes, what you call it, I don't know. So now we can remove the Ethernet card. Remember to be careful about removing it. If you damage something, then you're having a bad day. It's hard to get it out. There we go, and then you need to screw it out. Maybe with something like this. What I used here last time. When it's loose, it's just gonna pop out, and then you take out and place the screws in a safe place. Also putting your cards over there, and remember where the screws are gonna go into the computer. If you miss that, then you're even more. So I'm using this here, putting screws in there so it's safe. Now we can begin removing hard drive. Hold up, I'm gonna use this here. It's easy, and yes. Now we are gonna remove the hard drive. Have removed the hard drive, then you take it out carefully, because this is not a solid state drive, not a SSD. So be careful about that. Now you can see the whole system. Don't take that battery out, that's the clock, I think. As you see, it doesn't have any battery because I didn't get it in a battery. So now it's the long part to find every screw. Screws everywhere, all the holes you see, that's screw holes. You need to screw out. So I'm just gonna begin screwing out every screw. It'll take a long time. So when you have screwed all the screws, it's time to remove the CD driver. The screw is located here, and we will remove the driver here. So you take it screw, and then you see the optical drive. No, the CD driver. That's located here. When that's removed, you should be able to remove this see the driver. So now I think you can just remove the underbody, but now you need to take out this here. The keyboard. Sorry about my filming. And here is the keyboard. That's not really important. I'm gonna wash it. So here you have the computer without the body. We still have some so now it's time to remove the upper body. First remove one of these, then remove. So now you can begin to remove some of the cables down here. So now the cables are removed. This is for the screen, this is power to the motherboard, this is USB, and this is for the webcam. So now it's just removing, taking it away, and here's also the wireless cables. It's taken away because we're not gonna need them. So now I think this is just gonna pop out. So now you can begin screwing off the screen. Remember not to make. So this here is the screen. Put it in a safe place. Here's PC now. Now I think it's just to remove it. I forgot one little screw down there, you see. That was the hold up. Well, now it's gonna be ready. Upper body. Just go off. And you can really see the computer. This is not gonna work. Let me get this upper body. This piece of Windows 7 is the computer motherboard. Under here is the CPU cutout and the fan speakers. These are actually loose, so I'm not gonna mess with them. They have always been loose. Here is for the sound card and yes, sound card. And time to screw the motherboard up. So this is something you need to be careful about. If you miss, your PC may be broken. This screw aren't original. I've done this many times, so nothing of this. These are original screws. The removing of the motherboard. Pull it. There we go. This is the lower body, taking it all flat. So this here is the motherboard. Tiny, you think? Because that's what you have in your PC. Your mobile PC. Like that PC already. Yes. And there is your CPU, GPU, cooling fan, SD reader, the RAM, heat pipe going to this GPU and GPU. Then you got all the ports on the side, HDMI, and USB, VGA, and Ethernet. Not much, but so So here it is, all I waited for, the CPU. It's an AMD. This PC has an AMD processor. Look at that. The socket, I don't know the name of that. AMD, and it's got HEI, actually AMD graphics HD, I think. If it could focus, but this camera can't do it. So here is going. It's Thursday and I'm gonna remove some dust so the performance can go up. So this was the disassemble of the Compaq Presiaro CQ61. A great PC but old. It had 2 GB of RAM and close enough. You see what we have made. So I hope you enjoy this video, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you later.